South.
Oh, okay.
You're going home? Why are you going home? You're not meeting up with me?
Didn't invite me naman.
Tama. May point ka naman.
Yan ka naman eh.
I'm inviting you to watch my album launch.
I am gonna watch.
But did you buy tickets na?
I'm still gonna watch without tickets. Madali lang yun. I thought I was a Marshall.
Really? Hindi, I feel like you can just walk there. They won't pansin kasi you're so you're so cute.
Guys, pwede na kayo mag-leave dito.
Don't away my Marshall, guys. So scary,
If I
guys.
were to be your Marshall, walang makakapasok ng walang ticket doon.
Talaga.
Tapos kailangan 5 tickets per person para makapasok.
Ikaw pala, dahilan mo walang manonood.
Rain, mag-guitar ka daw.
Si Andy po kasi yung coach ko. She's not here in person, so I cannot.
Ano ba yan? Dinaway mo pa. Mag-guitar ka daw. Ano ba yan?
Why are you wearing the same glasses? Bro,
Because I
you
don't
look crush.
eh.
Okay, enough na.
Ano nangyayari, guys?
So, in 17 minutes. 17? I swear. 17 minutes.
Ano?
17 minutes. The live is gonna end.
Bakit?
Yes. Kasi, parang, I've been talking to you too much na.
Oh, sige. I'll leave na. Bye-bye.
No! Naman, so tampo.
Konti na lang daw magsusold out na. Tiraan niyo ako ng isa.
Akala ko ba 3 puwet mo?
Tiraan niyo ako.
Come on!
Magmamagic show ako doon, guys.
Sabi, pag 17, bibili ka na kaagad, tapos pag rain, di ka pa bibili.
Pag ano?
17.
Anong 17?
Di ba 17 yun?
The group?
Oo. Hirap ko.
Hindi nga ako nakabili doon eh.
Aw. Eh, dito, bumili ka na sa akin, kundi dalawa pa yung mamimiss mo. Ano ba?
I am going.
You're going?
Doon na ako sa sa labas.
Sige. I'll see you there.
Para in and out yung support.
Kasi, actually, you know, that we're gonna, di ba, Skydome, there's a roof. We're gonna take it out, tapos magpapa-fireworks.
Yes, nasa
So,
fireworks.
when we open it, you jump na lang to go inside.
Hindi. I'm the firework itself. Guys, Reina hates me. I'm gonna go.
No, I
He
don't.
hates me. Yok!
Papakute ka dito, yuk!
Alam nyo, si Rain, ganyan-ganyan lang. Pero excited na ako makita niyan pag nag-taping na kami. Tingnan mo.
Akala ko excited makita sa album launch. Ay, mauna pala yung taping!
Wait, may taping nga sa album launch mo eh.
Shut up!
Paano na yun?
Yeah.
Paano
So,
na yun?
I cannot absent taping. So, yung magpo-perform sa album launch ko, ikaw.
Nasa taping ako. Okay lang yan, guys. Pag may taping man kami, habol na lang daw si Rain.
Yes. Mauna na po kayo.
Kain muna kayo. Okay.
And,
Where's Jazz? Why is she hiding?
Kasi
Pinalis mo siguro.
CR.
Tagal mo naman mag-CR. Ano kaya?
Andy.
What's he gonna do?
Andy, I know you miss me.
I miss you.
You only met once.
That was not once.
No.
I mean, you only spoke to each other once.
It wasn't.
No?
How many times behind my back?
Secret.
Yes.
Ew!
We're having an affair. I'm sorry, Rain.
Sorry, Rina.
But sometimes you just gotta
Ay,
accept that.
pintuan po dyan.
Napaka-bully ni Auntie.
Yeah. Buti alam niyo na po. Ay!
Why me lang? Kung alam niyo lang kung ano yung totoong ugali ni Rain Salmar,
Talaga.
one day, I will break my silence.
Parang that's not about me. Ah! Okay, enough.
Okay, that's when you stop talking, Rain.
That's when we stop.
Ano pang nangyayari?
Sino nang
I
nakabit?
don't know. I think I will end the live if Andy will buy now.
I got na ticket.
How many?
10.
Came out of your nose, ah.
Yeah, I got na.
Artistahin po siya.
Ganun lang.
So, dapat kayo rin
Monsters.
10. Dapat ungusan nyo. Dapat ungusan?
What's
Yeah.
umusan?
When you go over me?
Umusan?
Ungusan?
I don't know. Basta
like lamangan?
buy more than me.
Yeah, lamangan.
Yes.
Okay.
Lamangan pala.
Sa Tagalog. So, umusan is not a word.
I feel like
Umusan is a
umusan
word.
is
I'm gonna search it up. So, like, I have a reason to move.
Ungusan.
Ungusan. Gorge.
It is a word.
It's not. It's not.
Ungusan? Like UNGUSAN?
I don't know. But that's a word, right?
No. Andy, we're Bisaya.
Mali-mali pa tinuturo ni Andy. What is she trying to say in Bisaya?
Lamangan.
Kailangan lamangan. Papasun.
Apason. Ingna. Ingna, Andy, apason ni mo.
Di ba?
Weh,
Apasun ninyo.
that's a
Andy,
bad word.
ingna ni mo ba? Ingna ni mo nga mo. Apason to ni mo.
Apasun ninyo ang tickets na po.
Andy.
Mo, baka that's bad word eh.
Hindi yan bad word.
I would say it. Oh my
Online.
gosh, she's so... Ingna!
How?
Ungusan daw is a word. Oh.
Oh, diba?
Wow, so you're correct. Wow.
Always correct.
You're smart
Ay,
today.
lampasan is Bisaya. Lagpasan is Tagalog.
Lampasan is Bisaya.
Yeah, lampas. Like, lampasin ninyo akong ticket.
Lampasin niyo ako ticket.
Ay, galing.
Hindi.
Yes,
Ah,
may word po na ungasan.
lampasan. Are my comments late ba?
I don't think so.
I think you're late.
Oh, yeah.
Pero kasi, di ba, Instagram, like, Instagram na slower.
Supportive naman ni Andy. Oh,
I can't
there's
even read
no
what
more.
you're reading.
Kasi it's slow. Or baka mas late sa'yo.
I feel like mine
Anyway, we have to go and everyone watching.
Yes, we have to go.
Bye.
Because it's more. Love you, Annie. Bye.
Thank you so
Love
much,
ya.
Andy, for guesting in my
Okay.
live.
Thanks for guessing the live.
Bye.
See you soon.
Bye, guys. Thank you so much for everyone who bought tickets and for everyone who are gonna buy tickets pa. Again, you can buy an SM tickets
Online.
and in all SM stores, SM malls, sa SM Cinema booth.
When is this?
Sky Dome, May 30, 7 p.m.
There's
Meet Your Rain. Do you wanna meet your rain? Eddie, go buy tickets from Meet Your Rain.
my SVIP, VIP, and regular.
Yes!
So
Bye,
see you guys. Bye. Thank you.
Bye, guys. I love you all.
Loving our
See ya!